This
Opposite, 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 oh, opposite, 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 oh, this time, this time, this the don't you, baby, don't no. Sis kutulay like you
tomorrow.
crazy. Sleep.
Abiden.
Din sa me like sa apadapasat 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 gisita didadada didadada gay guy didadada didadada don't make it dance, you baby. Don't sleeping, sleeping like you like you're crazy. And the things me like apadapasan, apadapasan, apadapasan. Don't not
Happy New Year, everyone! From my home to yours. Ito ang aking handa, oh. Hindi ba? At least meron din konti, oh. Ayan, naubos na. Tapos, si Sofia natulog ng macaroni salad. Ako, Happy New Year, everyone! Oh, ito ang aking favorite bowl. Diba? Tapos, aking ninyo. Si Ninyo nandyan. Si Ninyo. Happy New Year, Ninyo! Happy New Year all! Yung asawa ko umalis na naman. Busy kasi siya. Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year, guys! Kumusta? Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Katapos ko lang kumain. Kumusta ang inyong New Year? Naghanda ako konti-konti. At least merong konti. Salamat sa Diyos. Dami ko ano guys. Nakakamiss talaga ang lechon. Walang lechon dito. Sa bahay sa Cebu, yung ano namin, sa bahay naglechon sila guys. Tapos may ano ba yung turkey din. Naglechon sila ng turkey at saka mamoy. Diba? Usual. Dito, may mamoy dito pero hindi na, wala namang lechon. Alang maglechon. Hopefully na lang soon. Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome 2025! Sana lahat-lahat ay maganda ang buhay, good health, entire family and loved one sa 2025. Thank you so much guys for watching. Guys, hopefully our wish that mag-increase naman yung aking mga subscriber. Please don't forget, ang wish ko na ma-increase ang aking followers, please. na kanina pa si Sophie na Mami, anong oras ba ang New Year? Sabi niya ko, mamaya, mga 12 midnight. Yung 12 midnight, guys, natulog na siya. Kasi bukas, may pasok. She has a school tomorrow. Kaya, recently lang din umalis yung asawa ko nagpunta sa resto. Mga quarter to 12, pumunta na siya dito. Nag-celebrate kami lang dalawa, guys. Kami dalawa, tapos kumain. Tapos may kasi may customer ka pa kasi doon sa sa restaurant, may customer. Kaya bumalik na naman siya. 12 o'clock na kasi may yata di ba New Year. Nag-celebrate din kasi sila dito ng New Year pero hindi katulad sa atin na talagang celebrate talaga big kasi yung sa kanila iba kasi yung parang yung dati yun di ba na kumunyo yung video ko yung mga dasa, yung mga colorful, yung mga baitika, yung mga ganyan. Pero regarding nitong New Year, Christmas, hindi talaga. Merong iba, meron din ditong mga Catholic din naman na ano, hindi lahat na Hindu. May mix kasi dito guys, mix. Pero siguro 5% or 10% lang ang mga Catholic meron dito sa, especially sa main, like Manila, like here dito sa Kathmandu, ayun. Meron doon ng ano, simbahan. Ang ganda. Kaso dito, meron sa akin dito, pero hindi ko naman maintindihan kasi yung lingwahe nila. Before nagsimba ako, pero nag-stop ako kasi parang nakanganga lang kasi ako. Sorry naman God, nakanganga lang talaga ako. Happy New Year everyone! Happy New Year! Chu 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 chu. O, naghanda ako ng biko. O, biko guys. O, biko pa more. Nagbiko ako. Tapos macaroni salad. And then, spaghetti for life. And then, my prosperity bowl. O, diba? Tapos yung mga orange, apple, circle, orange, apple, sa mga candies, yun lang. Nainggit ako sa Pilipinas guys kasi yung ate ko nandoon, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, umuwi siya. Nandoon sila lahat. Nagka-picture pa. I-insert ko yung mga picture nila dito guys. Sabi ko, hoy, mag-send kayo ng picture sa akin para at least mag-down ako. I-insert ko dito para makita yun din yung family ko. Happy New Year everyone. May God bless you all. Don't forget to be kind, happy, and love. Share, share, share. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cebuana Pinay Inipal. Thank you guys. I love you so much. Mwah. Mwah. Happy New Year. Much love. I love you all. Pang. Babush. Namaste, sweetie, namaste. Kiki, namaste. Mikit, namaste, sweetie, namaste, kay. Daddy, namaste, sweetie. Tell that sweetie, namaste. Sweetie! Daddy, namaste, dosan. That the one, be.
It becomes taller than now in this girl.
Rainbows become more taller. Before very mapayat. Now Buyak he become taller. Kali is mapayat. See? How are you? Chak, ta, 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 ta. Dance. Namaste. Bisit nga, sweetie. Sweetie nga, be. Sweetie.
What time is pick up?
Sweetie. What time? 9:30?
9 o'clock.
Ay, 9 o'clock. Oh. Hi!
What time?
They're pretty doggy.
Halfway?
How do I know you are the one?
Yes, no. If 9 o'clock she goes, then what time she's supposed to get picked up?
Di ba 1 hour tuition? Oh, hi! Doggy.
Hello guys, we're playing a pedal. Look, I'm going to finish. What is go? Look, I finished already. Guys, we are finished. Yes, we are finished. I'm ready. Yes, I'm going to finish. Now, time the home. Paddle and I will play, but mommy will not play. Mommy will not don't know. Daddy will know to play, guys. Because daddy will know to play. Because he will know to play too, guys. Look, I'm going to finish, guys. Now I'm making a paddle. This is going to finish, guys. Hello, guys.
Hello guys. What you do? Yeah. You the vlogging? Yeah. You do vlog? Yeah. Hello guys. Yeah.
Good.
You do the vlogging?
Yes. play puzzle. It's going to finish more because I'm going to finish.
Patutya, patutya.
Una.
That's not, it's short, so. No, it's not. No, the short, you have to put that one in that. It's no good. I have to put that one, give away. Okay, it's not free. Yes.
Woo! I'm finished. I'm done. Yes, I'm finished.
Wow, you finished, Sophia? Slowly.
Okay. Look. Hello, guys. We are finished. We are finished. I love you. I miss you. I kiss you, Mama. I love you, Daddy Surendra Tapa. Bye, Mommy Ned. Daddy Surendra Tapa.